Okay, in the 2 minutes I will complete this one. Within 2 minutes I will complete. Okay, sorry. Condition instructions. Condition instruction. If I use the condition instruction, this can avoid the, here I will be not using the S suffix. Here I will not using the any compare instructions. Okay, this condition instruction, this can avoid it. Okay, suffix of S is nothing but the raising of the status flags. Comparing the instructions also raising the status flags. Okay, in the CPSR. Instead of this one, I can use only the condition instructions. That's nothing but the two alphabet suffixes which will be appended to the main instruction. For example, add. For example, add. This is the main instruction. I will be appending the I will be appending the condition instruction, that would be what here, equal, like the equal. Add the contents of the register R1 with to the R2. Only when the contents of R1 and R2 becomes what? 2 ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಇಫ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ SUBS ನು ಬರೀಬೋದಾ? SUBS ಬರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಅದು ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ತೋತಿತ್ತು. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗು, ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಫ್ಲಾಗು, ಜೀರೋ ಫ್ಲಾಗು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ SUBS ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಜೀರೋ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೇಸ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ R1, R2. R1 equals to 10, R2 equals to 10. 10 minus of 10 is what? 0. Then the 0 flag is to be raised indirectly, I am telling here. If I use the SUBS R1, R2, ಎರಡು ತೊಗೊಂಡಂತಿಟ್ಕೋ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಸ್ಟೇಟಸ್ ಫ್ಲಾಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅದು. ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಈಕ್ವಲ್, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಜೀರೋ, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಓವರ್ಫ್ಲೋ, ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. Okay, instead of checking all the flags, directly I am telling here what the, whether these two are equal, then only perform the subtraction operation. Means here the zero flag has to be directly, it has to be raised. We are telling. Okay, there are around 27 condition instructions are there. One we call the equal, another one is the non-equal, another one is the minus, another one is the plus, and also VS is the overflow, VC is the no overflow, HI is nothing but the constant higher. Okay, LS is nothing but the unsigned, lesser or same, and G is nothing but the greater than or equal. GT, what is GT? Greater. Okay, signed greater than. GT is nothing but greater than. It's greater than or equal. This is the greater than or equal. This is the greater than. And also this one is the LE. LE is nothing but the lesser than or equal. Less. Okay, less than or equal. Okay, less than or equal. AL. If I use the AL is nothing but the always, whatever it may be, whatever the instruction. Okay, if I use the add instruction, okay, along with the minus, MI. Minus ittu yaudar one value minus ittu andre addition maadu, illa andre maadbada anta conditions kottanga. There I will be using the instruction. This is the arithmetic instruction. This is the condition. There I will be using the RD and RM, something I was using. Okay. Okay, condition ಇದು ಏನಿತ್ತು, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, PL ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೋ. ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇದ್ರಾಗಿನ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು, ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದಂಗೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡು. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಎಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ ಅಂತ ಅಂದಂಗೆ. ಎರಡು ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫಸ್ಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ LS ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ, ಲೆಸ್ ದೆನ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇದು RM ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಲೆಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಆಡಿಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿರಬಾರ್ದು ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ if I use these conditions in the two suffixes with for this condition instructions, thereafter I can avoid the status flags, and even I can avoid the compare instructions also. That is the main useful of this condition instructions. Okay, I hope all of you following this one. Okay, this completes the second module. This completes your second module. Okay, if you have any doubts in this, just to ask me here only, I will clear. Okay, I hope all of you followed this. Okay, we'll complete the, okay, we'll see the next coming classes, third module. You don't worry. Okay, there will be in the third module we'll study the complete the C programming with the this type of instructions. Okay, there will be writing the some C program that is to be converted to in the C program has to be converted to where in the what it's the this assembly language programs only. That is nothing but the will become what compiler. That's the C compiler, and also how it is converting. C compiler will convert that main program C program to what in the machine level language code. How the machine then you have to write that one. Thereafter will become what a compiler itself. That is to be you have to convert that C program to machine level language code in the third module. That is very easy. In the fourth module we will study the only exception. In the fifth module we will be studying what are the only the about the complete memories, cache memories, addressing mode like this you will be studying. Okay, this is all about your microcontroller subject. Okay, from my side, knowingly or unknowingly, if I hurted you, I'm very sorry, I'm very sorry. Okay, by knowingly or unknowingly, if I hurted you, from my side, I'm very sorry, very sorry for this. Please excuse me here only, and thereafter we'll see the coming classes will be with the very in detail classes. Okay, all the best students. We'll see in the next class. Okay, whoever have the lab, just you do the lab. Okay, otherwise who are having don't have the lab, just you can move